friends, welcome in our YouTube channel, ERP SAP team. Okay, today I will see how to create the project and WBS. Okay, so for the creation of the WBS project is CZ01. The transaction code is CZ01. We have created the project, and in one project there are multiple WBS. Okay, so for the CZ01, you have to choose the project profile. In my case, the project profile is Consumer Mobility Projects. That is the CM, and I am clicking on Open Number. Okay, and while clicking on the Open Number, I will give the WBS start value, project start value, and project finish value. Then system will be give me the next available number. Okay, it, it will provide me the next available number. Okay, next available number will be appear here. Okay, so CM is the consumer mobility, and 19 in the financial year, and 00001 is the number available here. Okay, getting my points. So uh, the final value is this, and the next open number is CM of 19 is this. I will accept this number and go on the project definition. Getting my points? The system will automatically give me the next available number. Okay, CM oblique 19 oblique 001340, and WBS for installation of CMTS sites. Okay, this is my PD project definitions, and person responsible, choose the from the drop down list. Okay, who is your person responsible? You can choose from the drop down list. Okay, DGM network planning. I'm choosing DGM network planning, and fill the project started. Do not fill the project finish date because we are not going to know the project finish date. If you exactly know the project finish date, then you can fill. My project start date is 1st April 2019, so I can fill here. I have filled here. Okay, and company area is 1000, and company in my company code is 1100, and business area is Coimbatore SSA, Tamil Nadu Circle. Okay, and I'm working in the quality server, and all the data I have maintained in the Tamil Nadu Circle SAP server, and plant is Tamil Nadu Circle Office at Coimbatore SSA. Okay, I have click on the enter. Okay, getting my points. Now go in the WBS or element overview. Okay, and in the basic data I have to maintain all the things here. See, these are the level, and level means the our project is level 1, and under one project I have to maintain level 2 WBS. WBS means work background structure. I have We can maintain more and more number of WBS. That those WBS are known as the level 2 WBS. Okay, uh, I am maintaining the level 1 WBS. Level 1, that is the project. Level 1 WBS is always known as project. Okay, that is the WBS for installation of CMTM site. I have to choose the CM type of the project is CM, that is the consumer mobility. Okay, and here I have choose 2, that is the level 2. Level 2 is the WBS, level 1 is the project. Getting my points? Level 1 WBS is always known as the project. Getting? And here I have to mention level 2, that is CM oblique 19, and note denoted with .01. This is the our project, and .01 become our first level 2 WBS. Getting my points? If in the one project there are multiple sites, then we can maintain the multiple level 2 WBS. Okay, in the level 2 WBS we will maintain all the planning activities in network profile like our material planning, service planning, overhead planning, borrowing cost planning. Okay, so this is for WBS for the installation of CMTS item in Tamil Nadu circle. Okay, getting my points? If you have any query, please mention in the comment section. We will try to give you a solution. Okay, this is the PS concept, PS coding concept to creation of the WBS and creation of the project. Okay, so I have maintained the level 1 WBS, that is project. In one project there is a single WBS I have maintained, that is .01 level 2 first WBS element, WBS for installation of CMTS item Tamil Nadu circle. Okay, the next is, these are the project estimate activity, planning activity. Once I have create the level 2 WBS, then these ticks are on the planning activity, and for the level 2 WBS I have to choose out of the project. Okay, for the project, that is consumer mobility, CFA and electrical works, and all these here. And for the level 2 WBS I have to choose other than CM. Okay, for the level 2 WBS I have to choose other than CM, other than CFA. If you have choose the project CFA, then for the level 2 WBS you have to choose other than CM or other than CFA. Okay, for here I have taken other than out of the project. Okay, and all the activities will plan in level 2 WBS, and this is the very important in uh, any project, level 2 WBS. Okay, all the budget activity, all the account assignment activities, all the material planning activities. Okay, getting my points? This is the various type of the project type: master and aerials, media works, out of the project, transmission project, external project, civil, electricals, and all. Getting my points? Now I'm going to save this project. Once I have saved this project, then this WBS has been created, okay, in SAP. Okay, now I have saved this project. Okay, and one message will appear here. Okay, project is being created. Okay, so this is all about the WBS creation. We will meet in the next video, WBS creation part 2. Okay.